guys, and welcome back to my channel. As you guys can tell by the title, we're going to be making a clown collar. So today you're going to need 2.5 yards of tulle, whatever color you prefer, just a total of 2.5 yards of tulle, a pair of scissors, these are my cute little ones, and some ribbon, whatever type of ribbon that you want, because you're not going to see it anyway. So what we're going to do now is we're going to fold our tulle in half, and then fold that half in half, and then we're going to cut about a hand's width of it. So now you're going to take your tulle and open each strand and try to line them up as straight as you can. And now you're going to take your scissors and cut the half. Then you're going to fold that half in half and cut again. So basically you'll be cutting into fourths. So now you're going to take your ribbon and you're going to just measure it around your neck. Make sure you leave enough room to be able to tie it. And then cut it, and let's get started with the process. Now you're going to take two pieces of tulle, take the ribbon. I know this is not the best angle, guys, just bear with me. There will be a better angle towards the end, but you're going to loop it around your finger. Take that loop, put the ribbon in the center. Now wrap the bottom of the tulle around the loop and pull. And then you start all over again. Shout out to SpongeBob. So, and then you're just going to repeat that process all the way around. And here we are, guys, we're at the last piece. I told you it would be a better angle. Look at how full it is with 2.5 yards of tulle. If you're looking for something like this that's not too dramatic, but just dramatic enough, this is the perfect amount of tulle to have. And right here, I'll show you guys in slow-mo how I did wrap the tulle around the ribbon. Alright guys, and here is the finished look. If you would like to see how I got this look that I have on my face, just stay tuned for my next video. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And while you're down there commenting, let me know what you're going to be doing this Halloween. What are you going to be? And what are you going to be doing? Is it a virtual party? Are you going to the turn up? Just let me know. And as always, stay tuned for the next video. Love you guys. Bye.